Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best 4K camcorders on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sony HDR-CX405. The Sony HDR-CX405 offers an affordable yet feature-packed solution for aspiring filmmakers, priced well under $300. This camcorder provides simultaneous recording in ZAVCS, AVCHD, and MP4 formats, catering to various needs. A standout feature is the in-camera editing capability, facilitated by the Highlight Movie Maker and built-in visual effects, eliminating the need for separate editing software. Number 2. Canon Vixia HFG60. The Canon Vixia HFG60 is a cutting-edge 4K camcorder designed for serious enthusiasts and semi-professionals. Boasting a substantial 1-inch sensor and a 9-blade diaphragm, it delivers a cinematic aesthetic to your footage. This model exclusively records in 4K and features a 15x zoom lens equipped with 5-axis image stabilization, ensuring steady and professional-looking shots. The camcorder's familiar layout makes it an excellent choice for those transitioning from more basic models. The Vixia HFG60 also includes practical features such as a flip-out 3-inch touchscreen, a tiltable eye-level viewfinder, and the convenience of 2 SD card slots. With its advanced capabilities, this camcorder stands out as a compelling option for filmmakers seeking high-quality performance. Number 3. Sony FDR-AX43. The FDR-AX43, despite its compact size, is a feature-packed camcorder that stands out in the market. Equipped with a Carl Zeiss Vario Sonardi lens, it boasts a 20x optical zoom, 4K shooting capability, with super downsampling for 1080p displays, and a low-noise XMOR or CMOS sensor. The option for dual video recording in ZAVCS or AVCHD formats, along with easily shareable MP4, enhances its versatility. Notably, it includes a multi-channel 5.1 microphone for an immersive surround sound experience during playback. While low-light performance may have limitations, the FDR-AX43 is an excellent choice for those seeking an easily manageable camcorder with 4K video capabilities, offering a compelling balance of functionality, portability, and affordability, earning it the top spot. Number 4. Canon XC15. The Canon XC15 represents an upgraded iteration of the XC10, tailored for more professional applications while retaining a compact and ergonomic form. Its 112MP CMOS sensor can capture UHD 4K resolution at up to 29.97 fps and 1080p at up to 59.94 fps. The integrated 8.9 to 89mm zoom lens, with an aperture ranging from f/2.8 to f/5.6, provides a 35mm equivalent focal length of 27.3 to 273mm in video mode. Notable features include separate focus and zoom rings, auto and manual focus controls. With support for CFast and SD cards, the XC15 records 4K video to CFast cards at up to 305 MB/s/h. Number 5. Canon XC10. The Canon XC10 4K is a proficient video camera designed for professional Ultra HD 4K video recording, emphasizing handheld operation and portability. Equipped with a 10x f/2:5 DSLR-style manual zoom lens featuring auto and manual focus capabilities, the camera incorporates a 1 CMOS sensor supported by a Digic DV5 image processor. With a total resolution of 4224 by 3164, it can capture video at up to 3840 by 2160. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.